Welcome to today's assembly, boys and girls. It's really nice to see you again, and I hope everything's going well for you with your learning and everything at home going smoothly as well. We have had a very big announcement this week, and that is hopefully on the 22nd of February, nursery boys and girls, primary ones and primary twos and primary three children should all be coming back to school. So we're really excited about having you back in the building, and we're really excited that you will get to see all of your friends and come back and do your learning here. Children who are in primary 3-4, primary 3 children will definitely be coming back. We don't know yet about the children who are the primary 4 part of the primary 3-4 class. As soon as we find out, we will let you know. But I'm actually keeping my fingers crossed that primary 4s to primary 7s, that it won't be too long till you're back in school as well. But can I say, boys and girls, a lot of you have been doing a fantastic job. Your teachers are really appreciating the hard work that you're putting into things. There are loads of certificates again today and some shout outs as well. So I'll start with the shout outs. In primary 2-3, Mrs. Cassie has asked me to give a special mention to Lacey, to Leo and Olivia. And Mrs. Cassie's just really impressed with you three, with your hard work. So well done. Keep that going. In primary 6, Mrs. Dick has said a special mention to Kelsey Monks, to Sophie and to Lexi B. You three, again, Mrs. Dick has said, total star workers, doing a fabulous job. Well done, you guys. That's really good to hear. Excellent. So next, I'm just going to go on to our certificates for this week. We have an absolute stack of bronze certificates, which I'm going to do first. But we also have 2 silver certificates this week, which is really exciting. So I'm going to go through the boys and girls. Hopefully I've got you all your certificates in order here as I read them, but we're starting with primary 1 children. So a very big well done and a big round of applause to these boys and girls. Aidan Mitchell, Logan Porter, well done you two from primary 1. Primary 2, we've got Myla Gray, Rosie Dunn, Ella Finley, Mason McLaughlin. Fantastic. Well done, primary 2s. I think that's most of our primary 2s with their bronze now. If you haven't got your bronze yet, keep working hard, boys and girls, because you will get it soon. Primary 2-3, we have this week a good lot. So well done. Cooper McCainch, Lacey Stewart, Leo Samaborek, Lexi Ray Cochran, Roxy Mackay, Olivia Ireland. Well done, you guys. That was really, really good. Excellent work from you. In primary 3-4, these are our first bronzes from primary 3-4. So well done to Dario Faulkner, Emmy Preston, Isla Hendry, Lissy Jane Craig, James Davies, Lorenzo, Mackenzie, and Brian. Fantastic, you guys. Well done. Loads of certificates for primary 3-4 this week, which is really good. Primary 5 next. Bronze certificates for Levi, Hannah, Miley, Zachary, Cole, Ava, and Leanna. Good job, you guys. Well done. You should be proud. You're working hard. Keep it going. And primary 6, 2 for primary 6, Peyton and Daniel. Well done. And last of all, in primary 7, 1 bronze there for Holly. Fantastic. Well done, you guys. So all your certificates and your stars, your star badges, your bronze star badges will be ready for you to pick up not on Monday because Monday's a holiday, but the following Monday we'll have them all ready for you. Boys and girls as well, we have the exciting news that we have our first 2 silver awards. A massive round of applause and a great well done to William Hamilton and Dean Murray. Boys, you are our first 2 in the school this year to get silver. You must have been doing an amazing job. So all I can say is keep up the hard work and keep doing your best, and well done to you guys. Now, if you've not got a certificate yet, boys and girls, it'll be coming soon. So long as you keep working hard, keep returning your pack and collecting your new pack, seeing your teacher. That's how to get the star stampers just now. So keep going with that. This week as well, boys and girls, there is, as Mrs. Freeland and Marty and Greta have got a special little video, a little question and answer about Sir Captain Tom Moore. Now, I want you, all of you, please, to listen to the story of Sir Captain Tom Moore. There'll be a link that we'll send out with the link for this video as well. He is a real hero, a real up-to-date person who is a hero for all the right reasons, who's lived a remarkable life and has finished at the end of his life doing something absolutely amazing and fantastic. And he is an inspiration to us all. So listen to the story that Mrs. Freeland reads, and it'll be good to hear what you think about that as well. Okay, that's me for just now, boys and girls, and I will see you at the next assembly. Bye-bye.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Freeland. It's been so long since I've seen you.
Well, hello, Greta. It's lovely to see you. I've heard that some boys and girls are back in school.
What are you doing?
Well, today, Greta, I have been thinking about superheroes because sadly on Tuesday we lost one of our nation's real-life superheroes.
Who?
Captain Sir Tom Moore.
Who was he?
Oh, Greta, he was an inspirational man who I never knew personally, but like millions of others it felt like I did. He brought us together at a time when we needed it most.
What did he do?
He was a former British Army officer, best known for raising money for our National Health Service in the run-up to his 100th birthday during this pandemic.
Mrs. Freeland, how did he raise the money?
Well, back in April 2020, at the age of 99, he began to walk lengths of his garden with the goal of raising £1,000 for our NHS in time for his 100th birthday.
Did he manage to do it?
Yes, he did, Greta. In fact, on the 24-day course of his fundraising, he raised a total of nearly £33 million.
That's amazing, Mrs. Freeland. That's a lot of money, isn't it? I could do a lot of shopping with that.
You could do a lot of shopping with that amount of money, Greta. Boys and girls, if you would like to learn more about Captain Sir Tom Moore's life story, please follow Mr. Peck's link this week.